Hey guys, here on Do It Like a Dancer, I focus primarily on tutorials, but I also do a lot of creative work. In the fall, I launched my Patreon page to be able to focus more on my artistic endeavors, and also to be able to do more tutorial videos for this channel. Since then, I've had so much fun posting early access videos, behind the scene content, and all kinds of stuff, and I am so grateful for the support that I've received so far. Thank you to all of my existing patrons. You guys are wonderful. These days, I'm working on a huge new project, but I'm not going to be talking about it publicly for a while. But I'm so excited about it that I'm going to be sharing updates with my patrons only. And I'm so stoked about it that I'm making a special offer around it to invite as many people as I can to join me on this creative process. The offer is running for the next 2 weeks, and any patrons pledging at any tier before January 24th will be eligible to receive updates, potentially rehearsal footage, thank yous, and so much more. To find out more, head over to my Patreon page at patreon.com/JillianRhodes-the-performer, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions about the process or what this is all about. The only thing that I can say about this mystery project, besides the fact that it's going to be amazing, is that it's about layers, people, and labels. I can't wait to share this journey with you, so I'll see you over there.